Today we'll be sharing Hapi Wealth Builders Chairman, Mr. Phi Chan's experience trading in Twitter stock. This year, 2022, was another progressive year of development, as the world began to resume back to post-COVID normalcy. One of the biggest business news that had the whole world watching was Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter, which inevitably caused huge volatility in Twitter's stock. Phi first invested in Twitter on April 4, 2022, when the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission released a filing on Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, holding 9.2% of Twitter shares. The holding was worth $2.89 billion at that point. This move came just weeks after Musk criticized Twitter on its free speech principles. April 14, 2022, news surfaced that Musk had offered to buy over Twitter for $44 billion so that it can be transformed as a private company, days after he rejected Twitter's offer to join the board. Musk's statement resulted in a bull rally on Twitter stocks for the next couple of days. During then, Phi carried on accumulating more Twitter stocks, and eventually had 5,000 Twitter shares, purchased at an average price of $51 per share, under his holdings. The bull rally was short-lived, with Twitter's share prices dipping 20% from the peak of the rally right after. On May 13, 2022, Musk tweeted on his Twitter account that the deal is put on hold over fake account details, casting doubts on the outcome of the acquisition among investors. Twitter's share price subsequently took a further dive. Uncertain about the progress of the acquisition, Phi decided to cut his losses by selling away half of his holdings at a 25% loss. Setting cut loss is a key component in Phi's risk management practice that many traders failed to do so. On July 8, 2022, Musk announces his intention to terminate the Twitter acquisition, claiming that Twitter still refuses to comply with requests for data on bot accounts. Twitter's chairman, Bret Taylor, responded with legal threats for refusing to honor the acquisition. As the story unfolded, Twitter's share price closed at $32.65, the day before the company officially launched a lawsuit on July 12, 2022, against Musk in response to his backing out of the acquisition. Seeing how undervalued the stock is, Phi resumed the purchase of Twitter's stocks on the market, accumulating a total of 8,500 Twitter shares, and bringing down his average purchase price from $51 to $42.20 per share by July 29, 2022. On August 4, 2022, Musk countersued Twitter, escalating the legal fight between them over his attempt to walk out from his acquisition deal. Phi remained confident about a favorable outcome and carried on buying Twitter stock, amassing a total of 12,000 Twitter shares on August 12, 2022. On August 23, 2022, former Twitter security chief, Peter Zatko, came out to blow the whistle on the company's major security vulnerabilities, and misrepresented the number of fake accounts on the platform. Fearing that the acquisition will fall through with the looming court hearing and whistleblowing, Phi liquidated all his Twitter shares at a 4% loss. With all indications pointing toward a collapse of the acquisition deal, Phi turned around and started shorting Twitter stocks. On September 7, Elon Musk had his motion to delay the trial denied by the judge, with the trial set to commence on October 17, 2022. Days after, Twitter shareholders voted to approve Musk's $44 million takeover bid to privatize the company. On October 5, 2022, news broke that Elon Musk plans to move forward with the acquisition at the original price of $44 million, 2 weeks before the start of his trial. This caused the Twitter stock to be suspended. The stock price jumped 22% after it reopened. This turn of events caused Phi to cut his losses immediately, booking a huge loss. In total, Phi made a loss of $115,000, a negative 20% of his portfolio, trading on Twitter stock amid the drama surrounding the acquisition. Nonetheless, even with the losses, Phi remains supportive of Elon Musk's vision and looks forward to Musk taking Twitter public again. Thank you for watching.